Hello everybody, I hope you're doing well. Today I want to share a quick tip with all of you because it is a question that I get asked out on safari quite regularly, and this has got to do with this little piece of equipment, the lens hood. So the question that comes in is, should I use it or can I leave it in my camera bag? And the short answer is, use it. And I'm going to share the reasons as to why it is important to have this on the front of your lens at all times. And firstly, these guys are designed in a certain way. So this comes off my 70-200, and it is designed in a certain way. You can see that the petals, if I may, are different shapes, different sizes, because when this sits on the lens itself, they all have a varied focal range, obviously. And so these guys are designed in a way so that if you are shooting at a wider angle, that your lens hood doesn't interfere or obstruct the lens's view. So lens hoods are specific to particular lenses. But it's very important to make use of this. Reason being is, firstly, it will block off any stray light that may be falling down on towards the camera lens. So let me put this on here for you quickly, and you will notice now this is on the camera, and if I was shooting a particular scene and light was coming down at a strange angle, without this on, the light would bounce off of the front of the lens in a strange manner and reflect in a strange way throughout this lens, and therefore it will render a sunburst, or not a sunburst, but some light rays and unwanted details within your image. So it's important to keep it on to eliminate the risk of that happening. Another very important use of a lens hood is that it can prevent dust from falling onto the front of your lens. And you will notice, I don't know if you'd be able to see it in here, but go have a look at your lenses. You'll see up here, it's got this kind of felty texture to it, which is designed in a particular way to attract dust particles that are floating in the air to rather go sit on the side of the lens hood and not fall onto the front of your lens. But to me, most importantly, and why this should be on your lens at all times, regardless of the time of day you're shooting, may it be at night, may it be in the middle of the day, to me the most important and most valuable use of this tool is it does protect the front of your lens. It protects your glass, and it will protect it from scratches. And trust me, some safari moments can get quite frantic, to say the least. And when you suddenly pick that camera up, turn to shoot something, and you may hit a wall, the side of the vehicle, a branch hanging in towards the vehicle, with this lens hood on, that frantic movement, if you then go knock something, it's going to potentially damage the front of your lens hood, but not damage your glass. This will be a much cheaper replacement than the glass would be. I hope this helps, and I hope it encourages you to make use of your lens hood in the future. Thank you for taking the time to listen. Have a great day further. Chat soon, and bye-bye.